Hi, this is Rex at the Buckeyenest and owner of Rex's Computers. Thought I'd give you a little preview of the latest system I'm building here. You're looking at the case that I'm going to put this system in. This is a top-of-the-line case. I'm going to turn around here to the side so you can take a look at the front of it. Whoops, that wind just blew that cover down there. This is the fan controller module. It runs 4 different fans in the machine. It's going to be plugged into this big 200 millimeter here on the back side of the system, if you can see it there. That's going to create all kinds of airflow through this computer. It's going to be super cool. Let me move back around here, pick up the side cover that just fell down. And you can see on the side cover that I've got a 40 millimeter fan. It lights up in blue, by the way. That big 200 millimeter fan you saw on the back side lights up in red. On the inside here, I've got 2 generic black. Those are 80 millimeter fans. I'm going to replace those with some LED fans, along with what in the front. I can add 2 LED front, 2 80 millimeter fans. Up here in the top, underneath, a fan can be mounted in this area up here through the bottom, which I intend on doing. Down here in the front, along the corner here, you see 4 wheels. I'll be mounting those in the corners of the system, so you'll be able to move this thing around a lot easier. Right here, I'm going to add a couple of USB mounted forward speakers. The motherboard I'm going to put in this machine will handle 7.1 surround sound speaker system. I'll eventually, but these USB front speakers will be added into this system. This here is a hard drive. It's a 60 gigabyte hard drive. I'm going to add that as a backup drive for you to store all your photos and pictures and music on. This computer will have wireless capability. The tall antenna there is a booster antenna. The short black antenna can be used with this system, but I'm going to recommend using the booster. This is a 4-port external USB device. After you plug this into the back of the motherboard, this thing here will set up on top of your computer, and as you can see, you can plug 3 USB devices into it there and 1 into the back of it here. So stay tuned for more of the upgrades I'm going to do to this machine. Oh, I almost forgot here. That's a standard power supply, but Diablo makes a 750 watt power supply with a huge 120 millimeter fan on it. It also lights up in LED red. I'm going to purchase that and replace that with this machine. And I may as well talk about the top of it here for a minute too. This is where all your buttons are to turn this thing on. Your reset button, your hard disk drive light buttons, things of that nature are all located up here on the top, and of course you can see the convenient carry handle on top. And I almost forgot, down here it has USB ports and your headphone jacks here. These blue areas, this emblem lights up along with these blue side panels. They light up to create a really nice glowing effect at night. It doesn't add any heat to the system. And that's about it for now. As I said earlier, stay in touch. Check out this page on the site for more additions to this build. When I get it done, I'll slap a price on it, and the first one that buys it gets it.